We're here at Oppo and we're going to take a factory tour. Walking down a corridor right now. Had to leave all of my other phones and gadgets and stuff aside, but they are letting me walk around with the camera. So I'm hoping I understood them properly and that all my stuff's going to be there when I get back. But this is the Oppo campus, and we're going to see some cool stuff, hopefully, about how different phones are manufactured and made and all that jazz. You know, I'm feeling a little like that Mr. Rogers where he showed you how crayons were made. Yeah, we're totally styling. This is definitely a...
I like that you get to keep your own hat.
I was going to ask, but, you know, I kind of like my hat. And don't get me wrong, I mean, that looks great on you.
Yeah.
You're rocking that really well.
Does it look great on me?
Hey, you're looking great.
What if I had the VIP at the front?
Yeah. That's ballin'. I like it.
Yeah.
It totally does not make you look like a cafeteria worker. Not in the slightest. Perish the thought.
No,
no.
No.
No, not even a little bit.
Actually, it's the first time we opened as tour guide.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So, like, you've only just started giving tours of the facility?
No, just as like it's the first time. And you're the
wow.
first visit.
Oh, that's cool.
After all the testings are done, our employees will check the overall appearance of the phone.
那我们刚刚参观的一线时装啊。
So what was your favorite part?
The part where they put the things on the thing.
Yeah, my favorite part's where they made the phone.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Good one.
Yeah, that was definitely one.
We understand that the new cameras are allowed to take playing games, and we check the temperature of the film to make sure that it's not too hot, and we also detect the exact hot spots.
Well, in this testing.
Yeah, so that's pretty intense watching them go through that kind of testing process when we're talking about hundreds of thousands of button presses and millions keyboard presses and dropping from between 1 and 3 meters in sort of rail drop test situations. So they're definitely trying to step up their game on quality assurance and QA, making sure that they can deliver consistent products. I think that's one of the biggest issues facing a lot of manufacturers is consistency.
Is it in red? It's recording, or is it in? It's recording now?
Yeah, it's recording
Then how
now.
do you know? Oh, is it 360 recording at the moment?